And we would like to call to the stage the newest honored member who has joined the IAOTP family by becoming our co-host for TIP International Radio. This beautiful media personality, MC, motivational speaker, international model, actress, master of ceremonies, entrepreneur, philanthropist, and conservation activist, was crowned and won Miss Universe in 1992 in Thailand at the age of 19 for Namibia. She has over 30 years experience in media as a television host, as a producer, ranging from reality model search programs, showcasing celebrity homes, as well as e-commerce, conservation, sports and travel documentaries.
She has been a spokesperson for many cosmetics and luxury brands worldwide. To name a few, Revlon, Cartier, Puma, and Louis Vuitton. Her other clients include the World Economic Forum, Levi Strauss, Volvo, Nike, Ford Motor Company, YouTube, MTV, Fortune Magazine, the Miss Universe organization, and the Nelson Mandela Foundation. Her passion has always been to empower women all over the world, from the boardroom to the runway, and she has also initiated philanthropy projects, specifically in education and entrepreneurship, to help her country in Namibia, raising over $40 million in the last 30 years. She did this through the Michelle McLean Children Trust and by working with celebrities like Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie. Michelle is a global ambassador of investment, tourism, and film for Namibia. Everyone, please welcome IAOTP's top humanitarian and entrepreneur of the year, Michelle McLean.
Wow, thank you, Leah and Ginny, for that wonderful introduction. It is such an honor to be here tonight. And let me say, to be among all of you, these brilliant professionals from around the world, and to be a part of this IAOTP family. It's just, my gosh, you know, it's just, I think you all feel the same way, right? It's just an amazing organization. You just feel so family-orientated, and the last few days have just been incredible. So coming from Namibia and seeing such poverty in my country, and also coming from the pageant world, and many of you can relate to this, you being put in boxes, you're professionals, but you've been put in boxes, and you have to break out of those boxes. So I had to face my own hardships and obstacles, as many of you had in your different industries. What an incredible feeling to be among this family. And thank you, Stephanie, thank you, Christopher, and thank you to your team to be a part of IAOTP, because this is the most incredible family. I belonged, and I do belong, to many, many different groups in the world, but this is the one organization that I feel we all just connect on such an incredibly deep level. So thank you for this. And so I want to quote John Maxwell, and we could quote many amazing people in the world today, and all of you. I could quote probably each and every one of you here tonight. But what he said was, and this is very true to my life, the happiest people are not always the most successful people. They are the ones that serve the best. And I love that. I absolutely love that, because if you help people, you know, what you receive out of what you do for other people is what you get in your life. And that's what we're all here to do tonight, and what we're doing in our lives. So a big round of applause to all of you for what you are doing in all of your fields. So I'm really excited about this relationship, Stephanie, because there's so many wonderful things that we can do together and many projects that we can expand. So if you have any ideas, please come and see Stephanie and talk to us about it around the world, because We need to connect. We need to connect and know we can't work in silos. There are so many things we need to do, whether it's water projects, whether it's, whatever fundraising we need to do around the world, and awareness around the medical fraternity or whatever it might be. We need to work together. So let's all, connect as best as we can. So without further ado, I'd like to say, it feels like a birth process, but I met these beautiful people 9 months ago. So Stephanie and I were part of 100 successful women in business. The Global Chamber of Commerce got us together, and we looked at each other, during the COVID time, and there was Stephanie on Zoom. And you know how hard it is. Tonight we're all together. We can actually engage and actually get to know each other again. But it was so hard the last 2 years, right? So over Zoom, you don't know who you're meeting. It could be, these blind dates? It's like, oh, that's so scary. But we got to know each other. And so 9 months ago, it was just one of those moments where we connected. And I just want to now introduce, once again, you all know this amazing woman, Stephanie, and Christopher. With over 2 decades of experience in media, branding, marketing, and publishing industry, they originally started the company because they saw what an amazing part of the world professionals of your caliber needed to be recognized. And this is why we're here tonight. This is the dynamic of why we're here tonight. Utilizing their impressive repertoire of skills from their prior roles of business, they successfully changed the media and publishing industry with a vision to empower professionals while also paying it forward. And that's what each and every one of you are doing. We're not just doing this for ourselves, we are paying it forward. On a personal note, I have really gone to love this couple, Christopher and Stephanie. They're busy entrepreneurs, wife and husband, and their beautiful children, Anthony and Gabriella, and they're right here tonight. Hi, guys. They are always part of the team, and it's just wonderful to see this family, this family energy, which is so important in our lives today. We need that family unity. Their kindness, I have to say, they have hearts of gold, genuine kindness. They've been so generous, I think, to every one of us here tonight. I'm sure you can say in your own ways how generous they are. Please, everyone, give a resounding applause to our hosts and the president and COO, Mr.